CG companies should prioritize their technology investments in three, which I think are big areas. One is the whole going direct to consumer, not necessarily multi-channel commerce alone, but through social media, touching the consumer, understanding the consumer, influencing the sale to the consumer so that they can influence further sale of their product. So that's one area I clearly see more and more organizations are going, and that's one area they should invest in and leverage new technologies in the social enterprise to grow the sales. Second area is around trade promotion effectiveness and optimization. A lot of money is being spent, but the effectiveness or closing the loop around trade promotion management is not as effective. And therefore, if CG companies can leverage new technologies to do that and integrate with those fortunate companies who can afford a DSD, direct store delivery, and take inputs, feedback through that into the trade promotion management as well, that's one area where you can really optimize the spend and target the trade promotion spend so that you can have better lift of the product. The third area of technology investment is more fundamental, I would say, which is looking inwards in the organization, looking and mapping end-to-end business processes along with the IT landscape in the organization, so that using tools like Prism, where they can start monitoring business process KPIs more real time. So you can do in-memory cache computing technology you can use, not the BI and data warehouse kind of a technology, but these are for those momentary, what TIBCO calls as 2-second advantage. So you can use them for momentary alerts that can help the business run efficiently, not just for growing the sales, but also for reducing costs. So you, instead of a BI report coming to you at the end of the month that something bad happened in the middle of the month, you get it right then and there when the event is happening, so that they can take course correction right then and there. So those are the three areas I believe CG companies should invest in from a technology perspective.